Unit 2, Earth's Physical Systems and Environment. Topic 4, Plate Tectonics, Volcanoes, and Earthquakes. Plate tectonics, shaping our world. Plates move apart, plates move together, plates slide past each other. So, what is plate tectonics? The Earth's outer layer is broken into large pieces called plates that move slowly. When plates move, they can cause earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building. So, why it matters? These natural events can impact where people live, how communities grow, and how we prepare for hazards. Let's connect this to Texas. Texas does not have active volcanoes, but earthquakes can still happen. Understanding plate tectonics helps us be prepared and stay safe. Earthquakes affect places and people. Earthquakes can happen in Texas. They can shake the ground, damage buildings and roads, and impact communities. Texas communities prepare, respond, and work together to stay safe and rebuild. Prepare, respond, rebuild, and we become stronger together. Volcanoes. Volcanoes affect places and people as well. Volcanoes can change the land and affect how people live. Volcanoes can cause lava flows, ash, and gases that can destroy homes, roads, and buildings, causing hazards. People and communities. Eruptions can force people to evacuate. Communities may need to rebuild. Positive impacts. Volcanic soil can be very rich and good for farming. Tourism and economy. Volcanoes attract visitors and create jobs that help local economies. Again, Texas has no active volcanoes, but understanding how volcanoes affect places and people helps us prepare for natural hazards and understand how the earth shapes where we live. All right, creative learning adventures. Let's discuss the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a massive horseshoe-shaped geological zone famous for housing most of the world's active volcanoes and earthquakes. It is driven by tectonic plates colliding and sliding beneath one another, a process called subduction, which melts rock into magma and builds extreme geological pressure. So the zone traces the edges of the Pacific Ocean for roughly 25,000 miles. It stretches along the coastlines of 4 continents. So let's look at some fun, fast facts. Volcanoes. It contains about 75% of Earth's dormant and active volcanoes along the Ring of Fire. Earthquakes. It is responsible for approximately 90% of all earthquakes that happen globally. So, if you need more time to discuss this, pause the slide. And if you want to discuss everything else on the slide, pause the slide. Excellent job, creative learning adventurers. You made it to the end of this video. Keep up the excellent work.